Market update here on the 17th. So we are down about 0.25% here pre-market. And yesterday went exactly as planned. We had this demand zone we hit. We had a corrective move all the way down into it. We got an impulsive move up. We still have not completed this move, in my opinion. But we have ABC and then this move right here. Looks like it is also ABC, or not ABC. First wave, second wave right here. As long as this bottom holds right here at 434.32, then I am looking for the next wave up. Somewhere around 438, bounce lower right into this supply zone up here. And you can see how important supply and demand is for like the millionth time I've said this. We hit it right down here, go straight up to the other one, and then we bounce out of it so many different times. I currently just hold one put right now, one contract, hedging into, or dollar cost averaging actually, in case we got a leg up today. Because we're in this supply zone right here. So there's no point in buying calls at the end of the day. You're in a supply zone, even though the next leg might be up. You don't want to risk it when you're in a supply zone. So I bought a put, and if it would have gone up here today, pre-market, into the open, I would have just averaged into my puts. So yeah, basically we are making a second wave here, and I expect a 5-wave move up here to the supply zone and break through finally this supply zone right here. From there, it can be a lot of different things. It could be the end of this ABC move right here. It would be a very short C wave, or it's only wave 1. Pull back and come up here to this supply zone right here at 448, also a gap fill. So that is the second possibility right there. Third possibility is expanded flat. So we could finish this up here at 438 and then come down back down here to this demand zone one more time. Out of those, I would say that I'm leaning towards option 1 or 2. This one probably doesn't make that much sense, but it is possible. That would be a 2% lower, and that'd probably happen pretty quick. And that would still mean that we have to go up then after that. That would just delay everything again. So that would just mean I personally would rather just get it out of the way now, but I'm definitely going to be buying more puts up in this range. It doesn't even matter. I'll buy them here, I'll buy them here, I'll buy them here. It doesn't really matter. Average into them, because even if this is a 5-wave move, we're at least coming back here to probably the 0.38 fib, 435, because this could be an ABC move as well. So that's pretty much what I see on SPY. Look for a little bit more upside probably after the close, but if it does break below the bottom here at 434.33, then it might be something else. It could invalidate this whole move. So it has to hold this level right here, 434.36, but at the open, I will be selling my put, and I'll be buying calls immediately, because I'm risking like 60 cents to make like $4. So pretty easy risk reward there. And yeah, that's pretty much all on SPY. QQQ is a little bit different because we are down here 368.28. Same structure and still likely to be first wave up. Just like that, although it will have to be a longer fifth wave. So if it only comes to like right here, then we can kind of conclude that SPY probably isn't finished, and this would probably be looking for a pullback then. And there's a very good chance it would be going to 382. So QQQ and SPY are basically the same thing. Buy the dip unless it breaks below this low. Tesla, a little bit lower here. I'm still waiting to see if this is going to be an impulse move. There's still the possibility that this is a fourth wave here. It looks like it's finished to me. You have and then a small bounce here and then another move down. It just depends on I mean, if this is the end of the third wave, you're looking down here at 246. If not, I want to see an impulse move. I want this to break up here to at least 258 to 260 today. So I need a break higher for this pattern to continue to the upside as an impulse move. Again, the whole pattern looks like potentially that. And I'd probably be looking for like 275 to 277. If not, then if we get a corrective move here and we just correct back up here to 268 or 258, then I'd be watching out, because that would mean this is wrong and this is likely finished. And that would also mean I would be buying puts there for the next leg down, because then we're looking at the whole thing as, at the minimum, something like this. So something to watch. Is Tesla going to make an impulse move here, or is it going to end up being a corrective move? We will find out. Corrective move to here means it's probably just going to fill the gap. One up here probably means it's a second wave. Microsoft. So pretty standard 5-way move here. It is down a little bit pre-market, but pretty standard 5-way move I've been talking about for a fifth wave, and then again sell off down to 280 potentially. Apple, yeah, still looking for this fifth wave higher up here to like 183 to 185. There is a gap fill way up here. I don't think we're going to make it there. We could make it there, but I think that this is an expanded flat. So I would be targeting at the max 188. I guess it could go to 189 then, or 183. But we already hit basically 183. So maybe it'll go up here to 188. That'd be a pretty big move though. That'd be like a 6-7% move. Let's see, NVDA. So NVIDIA, again, supply and demand. Where did it hit? Right into demand. It bounced out of it. And I put that there before it happened. And now we're bouncing. It is down pre-market. But looking for this to hit at least 468 to 470. That would be a second wave or a B wave. Potentially all the way down here to 395. Amazon. So Amazon ended up being a corrective move. It looked impulsive to me, but it's actually corrective. So this is down a little bit right now. Potentially making a second wave. Probably going to see something between like 136, 137 at the top. I would see something up here to the top of this. So maybe we'll see at the most 140, but I don't know. At least a gap fill on Amazon. Meta. So Meta had a pretty big bounce yesterday. But again, I think this is probably a second wave or a B wave. So if this ends up being a B wave, then we're looking at it something down here and then maybe go up again. Or this could be a fourth wave, a long fourth wave down, and we're still looking for up here at 336. Again, the whole structure though is this, down to 265. What else we got here? We got, I think that's it on tech. I haven't been really going over Google lately. Dollar, VIX. So the VIX is up a little bit pre-market. I'm thinking maybe it comes down here to this daily demand, starting at 1516. So look for that potentially down here to 1516. That would probably take us to 382 and 448. So if it doesn't go that low, then it's probably going to stop at 440 and 376. So we're at 1780 right now. So we'll see how high this goes. I don't expect it to go that high though. I think it's going to fall from here unless we get invalidated. And if it falls from there, then potential target of up down here to 14 to 15 bucks. So pretty much the summary is there's three different possibilities. None of them right now are a crash. None of them we're going to go down to lower lows from here. So this is not an impulse move. And three possibilities one more time on SPY are, that's the least likely. Something like that. Or a short C wave, maybe up to here. So I'll leave it at that. Just a quick pre-market update. This has been really easy trading if you've been trading lately, you've been following these videos, because all you got to do is have the supply demand zones. You buy in the demand, you sell in the supply, and along with Elliott wave and maybe some gap fills, you can make a lot of money if you do it correctly. So hopefully these videos are helping. Give me a thumbs up if they are, and subscribe if you're not already. Try to do these videos every day, at least pre-market. And yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. I'll talk to you in the next one.